how the image mapping runs. First of all, you should know what image mapping actually is. It is a image broken into various hotspots, and each hotspot takes you to a different file. So here I'm using a image that is tulip.jpg. Okay, I already saved inside my local folder. So imgsrc equal to tulip.jpg. Here I'm going to introduce a new attribute of image tag, that is use map. So I'm using hash is a symbol we have to use. Right now I am using a number 4. This 4 number is the name of the map file. So 4 is the name of the map file, and I am creating the map file with the help of a tag named as map tag. So map tag is used for creating a map file. This map file is embedded in HTML itself, so it is known as a client side image mapping. So there is one tag named as area tag. So area tag is a subtag of map tag. So here 3 shapes of hotspots are there. Right now I am giving a shape is equal to circle followed by quads. Quad stands for coordinates. So I have to decide the coordinates of a circle. So for circle we need 3 coordinates, that is coordinates at the center of the circle and the radius, and one more attribute, that is href. Href stands for hyperlink reference, all of you know. So this area tag 3 attributes are must, that is shape, chords and href. I am copying and pasting it 3 times because I want to show you 3 shapes, that is circle, polygon and rectangle. Then I will use a shape equal to polygon, but we will not write the full name, it is poly only. Then I can use here circle replaced with rect. Rect stand for rectangle. Now you can see that I have copied and pasted the 3 lines. Okay, now I have to fill these blank spaces of coordinates as well as href. So I am closing the map file, I am closing the body tag, and I am closing the HTML file. Okay, now it is still incomplete as I have to fill these coordinates. So for filling this coordinate I will use a fresh image. I will open a fresh image in a paintbrush. Okay, and I will locate the coordinates of circle, rectangle and polygon. So I am drawing a rough diagram of a circle. Okay, when I am drawing, you can see that at the taskbar you can see that x and y coordinate get changes. So I have noted the x and y coordinate of the center of the circle. I have written the x and y coordinate of the center of the circle. Okay, that which I noted down just now from paintbrush, and when I will click on it, it will take me to google.com. So this URL I am copying and pasting again, and only the name of the website from Google I will change to rediffmail.com. Then here I want to open a local file named as button.jpg. Okay, now this circle we need 3 coordinates, that is x, y coordinate and the radius. So I will take the mouse pointer over the circumference and I will take the x2 coordinate, and x2 minus x1 will be the radius. Now I have drawn a polygon. So polygon I will take the cursor to the top corner of vertices. I will note down the vertices. Again I will open the polygon left end and I will note down the vertices x and y coordinates. Likewise I will note down it for bottom also, bottom left, bottom right and the top vertices. All the x and y coordinates I have to note down. So I am noting down the vertices xy coordinate of all the top left, bottom right. Okay, bottom left. Likewise I will note down the coordinates. You can see that this is just for rough work. I am noting down the coordinates by opening it in paintbrush. Okay, it looks quite lengthy, but it is very easy. When you will do it, you will find that. Now I am drawing a rectangle, and at the top left corner I'll take my mouse pointer and I will note down the vertices x and y coordinate. Similarly, I will again open paintbrush and I will see the bottom right corner and I will note down the vertices. Now I will save the file. Give some suitable name and the extension should be .html. Now you can see that the source code of image mapping. I will run it. And you can see the hotspots. You can see the thumbnail, and when you are clicking on it, you can open google.com. Okay, my image mapping is running. This client-side image mapping, as the map file is embedded inside the HTML file itself. Likewise, I will click on the polygon. I will click on the rectangle. So see here, for polygon I gave rediffmail.com. Similarly, for rectangle, a local file, that is button.jpg is open. So here the absolute URL as well as relative URL you are opening. So I am using a toggle button F11 for full screen and restoring it back to its normal form. Okay, I hope all of you will try the image mapping and will show me. Thank you.